reasons why I won't there for you, my love. Now you don't want to retire with my love, yeah. Je suis désolée, je ne peux pas prendre la distance encore.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll just be showing you guys how I'm going to do my makeup, like a normal day makeup, how I get ready. Maybe if I'm going to church, if I am going to wedding, this is how I get dressed, and I hope you find this video interesting. So guys, just watch this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you want to ask me anything, just ask me anything in the comment section. I will be here to answer all your questions. Yes, I will be right here. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Don't forget to also use the super signs. Thank you all so much, guys. I really do appreciate. For my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. You guys are just the best. The love you guys are showing me on this street of YouTube is not even a joke. I am grateful. Your girl is grateful. I am nothing without you guys. I am so grateful. Thank you all so much for the love, for the support, for the super thanks, for the super chat. You guys are just the best. Like, you guys are just the best. If I don't have you guys, who am I on this street? Like, who am I? I am nobody. You guys brought me to where I am today. I'm grateful. If you are just coming across this video for the very first time, please guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video if you find this video interesting, and don't forget to use the super thanks. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. This is me on a normal day getting ready, like doing my makeup. This is me showing you guys how I normally do my usual makeup, like everyday makeup, like if I am going out, going for a party, going for church and all that. So guys, sometimes it's not every time I do my makeup, but for example, if I'm going to shoot a content and all that, I like to wear makeup for me to look beautiful. You know now, you know me. You know I am not a girly girl. Like, I like to do makeup. Yes, I like to do makeup whenever I want to shoot my video. Maybe if I am going to party, I don't normally go to party every time. Maybe if I'm going to church and all that, but it's not every time I do makeup. Guys, let me know what you think about this makeup in the comment section. If you find this video interesting, let me know. If you have anything to tell me, just let me know. You can also chat me on my Instagram page. So guys, I will leave you all to enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section.
So many reasons why I want it for you, my love. Now you don't want to retire with my love, yeah. Je suis désolée, je ne peux pas prendre la distance encore. Depuis ton départ, mon cœur se casse tous les heures, tous les heures. Depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non non non, j'aimerais envie ou depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non non non, j'aimerais envie ou fais comme ça, chérie, fais comme ça. She be not this kind of thing where they make me see how ou conjoint ou fait m'voyer qu'on en guette moi ouais ciel là. See I won't make you no